Hello everyone, this is my flight review of Delta Airlines Flight 388 from Shanghai to Detroit, Michigan, in economy class. So here you can see the boarding process. Somebody brought their cat, so if you hear a cat in other segments, it's that cat, I think. Here we can see when you board, Delta gives you a nice blanket and pillow in economy. So that's a good start. Was just on the seat. The blanket's nice. I don't know. It's hard to get comfortable with the pillow, in my opinion. Most long haul flights do that, but it's hard to get comfortable. I don't know if you could hear, but one of the boarding songs was like a classical piano rendition of Everlong by the Foo Fighters. Here we have the in-flight entertainment system with the screen on the back of the seat in front of me. Pretty large movie selection. And here they provide information about the aircraft and the route, which is nice. That's what I think is the most interesting thing, is watching the real-time flight map and where you are in the world. Obviously, I know the computer system can't know the route the pilot's going to take, I guess, but it does annoy me that they always have it programmed as just a straight line. Because I know it's not going to go over Russian airspace. That hasn't been a thing in a while, right? So, and here on the interactive map, they have information about the cities where Delta has hubs or lounges, I guess. I do think China is one of the only countries I've flown in or out of where I've seen so many lights, just from the city as you fly over, and or fly by. Maybe with the exception of America, but it just shows how industrial and massive everything is there. And modern. Served the first meal shortly after takeoff. I think the options were chicken or pasta. I went with the pasta because I'm a vegetarian. Apologies, you'll see me struggling to open in this clip here. It's just because my other hand is holding the phone to record. I think that's pasta, right? I don't know. And they also had a piece of bread and whatever that is in the right corner, and then some fruit, broccoli or something. Peas, maybe. I didn't need it. They also gave water and drinks or whatever you wanted. Here we are flying over Alaska, near Nunavik Island, I guess. I was even less of a fan of the second meal. I didn't really know what that was on the right there. There was chicken on the other side, but I wouldn't eat that. Obviously, I'm not expecting much from airplane meals, so I'm not going to judge them that harshly. It's not really that significant. Here we are, on approach to Detroit after the long 12 hours or whatever.